Verifying your Telegram account is essential for accessing all features and ensuring your identity is confirmed. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Download and install Telegram. Start by downloading the Telegram app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app to begin the registration process. Step 2. Register your phone number. Enter your phone number in the designated field. Make sure to select the correct country code. After entering your number, tap Next to receive a verification code via SMS. Step 3. Enter the verification code. Check your SMS for the verification code sent by Telegram. Input this code into the app to verify your phone number. If you don't receive the code, you can request it again. Step 4. Set up your profile. Once your number is verified, you will be prompted to set up your profile. Enter your name and, optionally, a profile picture. This step helps others identify you on the platform. Step 5. Enable two-step verification optional. For added security, consider enabling two-step verification. Go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, and then tap on two-step verification. Follow the prompts to create a password that will be required for future logins. Completing these steps will ensure your Telegram account is verified and secure. Enjoy using the app with full access to its features.